Do you want to install an air conditioner inside your home, but you don't want to go through the difficult process of installing a mini split or spending so much money on a centralized cooling system? Well, stay tuned. I got an air conditioner right here that you can install in about 10 minutes. It's DIY friendly and any homeowner can install it. So if you're interested, make sure you stay tuned. Hey there friends, welcome to Fix This House. If you're new to the channel, consider pressing the subscribe notification bell so you can always be in tune on DIYs, how-to videos, and product reviews that I do within this channel. So I know just the thought of installing an air conditioner inside your home can be intimidating. There's a lot of products out there like these mini splits where they say it's DIY friendly, but in reality you do need a professional to go hook that up to power, and there's that high cost of having a centralized cooling system installed in your home. So I might have a solution for you friends where you can install one cheaply inside your home and it's affordable too. So let me introduce to you to this GE product. This is the GE Profile Clearview Window Air Conditioner, 6100 BTU. It's for window openings that's up to 20 inches to 40 inches in width, 13 inches in height. This air conditioner is compatible for the double hung window. So my opening 20 and a quarter. Air conditioner is 19 and 3/8, so perfect. I got a little bit of clearance. So notice how my window does not have any trim. It's kind of built differently because right the other side is a bathroom. If you do have trim that sticks out more than ½ inch, then you don't need any filler. Skip the next step. This is the spacer that comes with the kit. It's a 6-inch piece. It's tilted to its side. This is a peel-off tape. That's what they call the caseway, by the way. And place it right around the center, just like that. Your window has this lip right underneath. What we're going to do is we're going to put the filler so that this will be raised up and we can flush this. Wipe it down, make sure it's nice and clean. Once you peel that off, just find the center. 1/16 of an inch lower, but that should be good enough. You want to measure your window's depth, 3.5. Now whatever depth you came out to, so mine is, my window depth is less than 7.75 inches. So I will have to keep my chaseway closed. Now if you have anything bigger according to this chart, then you have to position it according to with your chaseway. If you flip your air conditioner to its sides, you can see there's 2 screws right here, and there should be 2 sets of screws on the other side as well. If you want to adjust your chaseway, just unscrew these and do the same thing on the other side. Check out this tool. This tool has been very helpful for me. I don't have to use a regular screwdriver. If you're interested on this tool, and if you're also interested on this air conditioner, I'll leave all those links on the link down below, and then you can pull it out to first position, second position, to the third position. For me, I have it in a closed position. Heavy lifting part. Now it's only me at the moment, but I highly suggest that you get 2 people. I gotta do this by myself, and this thing is pretty heavy. So let me see if I can do it. Wish me luck, friends. Okay, not bad so far. Watch your fingers. You want to center it as best as you can. ½ inch, ½ inch. So here's what it looks like outside. So place the level on top. Still gotta raise it up a little bit. What you can do, keep adjusting this till it meets that height, and then lock the nut in place. It's leveled. Now we can go to the other side, just match it and double check for level. Everything is leveled. This is nice and secured. Sorry to interrupt, but if you're finding this video super helpful so far, please kindly hit that like, subscribe button. It'll greatly help out the channel. That being said, let's get back to the video. Gotta fill those in. So that's why this kit comes with this, like that. And we're gonna place it right here. Right there. Our thick foam piece. You're gonna cut this according to the length of the gap and just push it down to make it fit. Now you can place it accordingly, like that, and we're gonna place it flush from the inside end to end. Kind of line it up with your window like so. Make it nice and close so that you can place this and move it accordingly, or just use this to push down. That'll be your best bet. See, I just used the window to stick it in place. like that. There we go. So now if we look right here, everything is closed up. There we go. And that's it. Super easy to install, but you're not done yet. This is the security L bracket. Just screw this in place so that nobody can lift this up. If you don't want this method, and if you don't want to drill on your window casing, whatnot, you can also use a rod. I would use a rod to go and lock that up. I'm gonna have gaps right here, so to prevent any wind draft or air draft or any bugs from coming in, you use this foam and just use that to stuff in on the gaps. So use a plastic piece, something soft that will not damage your window, and just kind of just shove it behind there. So now what you gotta do, you just plug it in, and what you're left to do is enjoy the fruits of your labor. Turn it on, adjust the temperature of what you need. You can go all the way to 64. And I could already feel how nice and cool this thing is just blowing. Notice how it's very, very quiet. You can barely hear it working. It's super quiet, friends. This is super easy to do, friends. Anybody can do it. So make sure after 250 hours of usage, you clean out the air conditioner. Just open this up like that, and you can clean this out. And there's a cleaning port right here. You just take this out. There's a drain plug. All you gotta do, unscrew it and drain out the water. There's also a remote control. Control the temperature. This air conditioner is also a smart air conditioner. That means that you can connect it to your smartphone. As long as you download the GE Appliance Connect app. With this app, you can control the air conditioner anywhere you are. Let's say before you go home, the room or the space that you want to go to is hot. You want to go and condition the air before you get home. Turn on the AC, set the temperature, and when you get home, it's already set. And also, if maybe you're sitting down somewhere and you don't want to go and reach out, you lost your remote control for some reason, you can't find it, you can connect to the app and control the temperature and turn on the AC, put it on timer, set it to whatever options, when you want to shut off, when you want to put it on sleep mode, all that options, all in the GE Appliance Connect app. So if you want to go through that route, just download the GE Connect app. It's for free. Go to your app store. So there you have it, friends. That's how you can easily install an air conditioner inside your home. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section down below. I'll be more than happy to answer them. And if you're interested on this same exact one that I used in this video, check out the link on the description down below and try it out for yourself, and you'll be surprised how easily you can install this by yourself and how well it works. So again, friends, if you found this video super helpful, please hit that like, subscribe, notification bell, and I'll see you, friends, on the next video.